Good morning, family. I want to take a minute off the campaign trail and ask anybody if they could be kind enough to give a small donation to the Red Cross or a charity of the choice for the victims of Hurricane Dorian. Hurricane Dorian is the second hardest or most devastating hurricane to hit the Atlantic Ocean ever recorded. So if you can find a minute and send a small donation, $10, $15, either Red Cross, or send clothing items or other perishables that are they are able to collect, it would be good. Our campaign pleads with you to do that. So let's take a small time and try to help those victims. Thank you.